Hey guys, what is going on? This is Chris from TechBeard again with another video today. We actually have another immersion light strip video. So the people over at Lytmi sent me over their Neo. So this is similar to the Govee Immersion TV light strip that I reviewed a couple months ago, but this is a little bit different. Instead of a camera, this actually uses an HDMI box instead. So we'll take a look at this. Again, thank you so much to Lytmi for sending this over for review. Really excited to take this and unbox this and set it up. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. The setup process is pretty straightforward. These include 4 plastic pieces that you install in each corner of your TV. Once these are on, you need to place the LED strip in each of these pieces and then trim to size. I do like that this kit can work with a range of TV sizes and is sold in larger sizes as well. This is currently being used with a 55-inch TV. Next, plug in the included HDMI cable to your TV and to the output on the control box. Use the input for plugging in the device you are using. From there, you plug in the USB-A ports from each LED strip in the correct inputs. And finally, you can plug in the DC power. The strip should start flashing at this point. Now time to set up the app. To start with, you can scan the QR code included in the instructions. Now I didn't want to bore you with this process as it took far too many attempts to get this hooked up to my Wi-Fi and then finally to my Amazon app using the Smart Life app. So we'll just skip over this and I'll show you how it looks. All right, guys, that'll about wrap it up for today's video. Again, huge shout out to Lytmi for sending over their Neo Immersion light strip. Again, this is an awesome value. It is a little bit more expensive than the Govee Immersion strip, but in this case, you don't actually need to have a camera, mounted to the top or bottom of your TV. In this case, you just have an HDMI box. The one drawback with this is if you do use any internal apps on your smart TV, it won't actually work. So what I would suggest using this with is either with a game console, laptop, or if you have some sort of streaming, maybe like a Fire HD stick, something like that. That's where it's going to really shine. But again, like I mentioned, it won't work with any internal apps on your smart TV, so just keep that in mind. I was playing around with that and tried to come up with a fix, but in this case, it doesn't seem like there is one. So that's really the only drawback in this case, but overall, this is a great value for the price. And again, huge shout out to Lytmi for sending this over. I think it's a really great value, and this is truly amazing. It really blew me away when I first turned this thing on and how bright it was. I think they did a really good job with this product, and I definitely recommend this. Again, I'll leave a link down below where you can pick this up on Amazon if you want to check that out. But, if you guys enjoyed this video, think about giving me a thumbs up and think about subscribing for more tech content on the way. But other than that, again, this is Chris from TechBeard. Hope you guys have a good one.